My name's Merle, aka Brandon. Welcome to Redneck Jackass. This is the tire spin.
Right, I'm cowboy.
Oh my God!
Hold your snuff.
If I start, oh my God!
Hold your snuff. Hold your snuff.
Ah, the blood's going to my head.
It's purple. You got your hat. Stand up. Grab your hat. Put your hat on. You okay? How was it? What does it feel like?
You go do it.